Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious egg fried rice. First, ensure you have cold, day-old rice. This is key for a non-sticky result. Gather all your ingredients like 2 eggs, your chosen vegetables, and sauces before heating your wok. This preparation, known as mise en place, makes the cooking process smooth and efficient, ensuring everything is ready when you need it. Now let's get cooking. Heat your wok to a high temperature and add a tablespoon of oil. Quickly scramble 2 eggs, then remove them and set aside. Next, add your aromatic vegetables like garlic and ginger, stir-frying until they release their wonderful fragrance. Then, incorporate other vegetables, cooking them until they are tender crisp, retaining a slight bite. It's time to bring it all together. Add your cold, day-old rice to the wok, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Pour in your soy sauce, a dash of sesame oil, and any other desired seasonings. Increase the heat and stir-fry vigorously, ensuring the rice is evenly coated and heated through. Keep everything moving to prevent sticking and achieve that perfect fried rice texture. Finally, taste your egg-fried rice and adjust the seasonings if needed, perhaps a little more salt or a pinch of white pepper. Return the scrambled eggs to the wok and gently fold them in. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped green onions for a burst of color and flavor. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade, delicious meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to these handy containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.